Hello and welcome to Scholarships Ranking. In today's video, we're going to talk about one popular scholarship in Germany, which is the Daad Scholarship. The Daad Scholarship in Germany. So before we get into this video, please, if you want to be the first to know about the latest scholarship and if you want to contact us for scholarship, you can contact us via Telegram to inquire about scholarship. So you can join our Telegram channel using this link here, and also you can subscribe to our YouTube channel by using this link. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you have any suggestion, put it in the comment and we will be there to reply you. So we also have WhatsApp groups for scholarship as well. You can join this WhatsApp group so that you'll be the first to know about latest scholarships, and also join our Facebook group to find the best answers to your questions. Well, let's get right into this video. The Daad Scholarship 2022-2023 is a fully funded international student scholarship that pay 861 euros per month for graduates and also 1,200 euros per month for doctoral candidates. So if you want to study in Germany, then you should read this article, because in this article we will go over what the Daad Scholarship is about, its benefits, the eligibility criteria, and also the application process in detail. So the Daad Scholarship, as I said, is a fully funded international student scholarship. This is available to pursue master's and doctoral degree at one of the German's top universities. So the Daad Scholarship pay 861 euros per month for graduates and also 1,200 euros per month for doctoral candidates. Well-trained experts who are networked with international partners play an important part in sustainable development of their countries. They are the best guarantee for better future with less poverty. So more education and more health for all. This is the aim for this Daad Scholarship in Germany. So with its development-oriented postgraduate study program, the Daad Scholarship promotes the training of specialties from what development and what newly industrialized countries. Experts who are well trained and connected with international partners play an important role in the country's long-term development. So they are the best assurance of brighter future with less poverty, more education, the better health for all. That promotes the development-oriented postgraduate study programs. So the scholarship provide opportunities for foreign graduates and from developing countries and newly industrialized countries to pursue postgraduate and master's degree at a state or state-recognized German university. At exceptional cases, to pursue a doctoral degree and obtain a university qualification, that is master's and PhD degree in Germany. So let's get right into the summary of this scholarship. So this scholarship is basically for master's and PhD, that is doctoral student, and the institution is that, and this is an opportunity for you to travel to Germany. So looking at some of the courses offered, you can have economics, sciences, law, agriculture, and forex sciences, art, design, engineering, and natural sciences, humanities and social sciences, language and cultural studies, mathematics, natural sciences, medicine, and health sciences. There are so many courses that you could look into. So if you want to see the complete courses, you click on this link here to see the available postgraduate courses. So the period of study is 12 months to 36 months, depending on the length of your choosing program. So that scholarship deadline depends on the choosing course. So please, if you want to know the deadline, check the deadline before you apply. So with that, you have to click on this link here to take you to the deadline for this scholarship. I've already discussed, the scholarship coverage, but let's go into details what that scholarship covers. So the Daad Scholarship 2023 for Masters and PhD in Germany provide the recipient the following benefit. 1. Depending on the academic level, monthly payment of 861 euros for graduates or 1,200 euros for doctoral candidates. Again, travel allowance unless these expenses are covered by the home country or another source of funding. Payment toward health, accident, and personal liability insurance cover, and also one-off study allowance. Under certain circumstances, this scholarship of holders may receive the following additional benefit, that is a monthly rent subsidy and also a contribution toward tuition fees that may be changed by the university, maximum 500 euros per semester. This is very important, as before you apply for every scholarship, you should know the eligibility criteria for the scholarship. So the eligibility criteria for that scholarship 2023 for Masters and PhD in Germany, the applicant must meet the following criteria. First, you might meet English or German language proficiency. So for international program, the language of instruction is English. you usually require to submit an English proficiency certificate, example TOEFL or IELTS, and in some circumstances you could provide um, an English proficiency score. So for other programs, the language of instruction is German. You usually require to submit a German language certificate, example DSH or what, TESDAF. Eligible countries are here. So most of the countries are newly industrialized country and what, the developing countries. So candidate must have a bachelor degree, usually a 4-year course, or a master's degree in an appropriate subject. So candidate must have at least 2 years professional what experience, and also the candidates can prove their motivation is development related and be expected to take on a social responsibility, an initiative to support process of change in their personal and professional environment after training and what training or the scholarship. So you should show your motive of what having a development related and a social responsibility that you will initiate after the course of your study. With this, we move on to how to apply for the Daad scholarship. So to apply for every scholarship, you all know you need your documents. So once you get your documents ready, with this, we even go through the required document as well. So to apply for the Daad scholarship 2023 for Masters and PhD in Germany, please follow the following step-by-step procedure. 1. Can you apply for more than one course under the Daad scholarship? Yes, you can apply for up to 3 courses. If you are applying to move more than one course, then please list the courses in order of priority in the Daad application form. C7, choice of host university institution in Germany, and do not change the priority in according of the application. So let's say if medicine is your first priority, make sure medicine is the first, then second is engineering, then third is arts, something like that. So regarding to the required documents, you need a signed Daad application form with current date. So you need to fill up the Daad scholarship application and sign with it with the current date. So you also need a personally signed CV. Please use the sample Europass at www.europass.europa.eu. So you come to this website, you download the template and use that one to update your CV with a current date. Personally signed letter of motivation with reference to current occupation and choice of postgraduate program. So minimum 2 pages with current date. Also important, when applying for more than one postgraduate course, you have to submit one motivation letter explaining why you are applying for these specific courses and why you chose that priority. So that means if you are applying for more than one, you need to submit more than one motivation letter to explain why you are applying for these courses and why you chose that priority. Again, you need a letter of recommendation from your current employer. The letter must have letterhead, a signature, and official stamp, and must be current date and not sealed envelope. Certificate or employment from employer, that a proof of maximum of 2 years of relevant working experience after bachelor degree at the time of application, and if possible, a guarantee of re-employment from your current employer upon returning home. The next one is proof of language skills. You need an IELTS or TOEFL. Note, the institution TOEFL is not accepted. German required courses taught in German, and also copy of academic degrees. Again, you have to submit the grading scale and also certified translation if necessary. If your documents are not in English, please, you need to add certified translation of your academic degrees. So applicants from the People's Republic of China are asked to submit an APS certificate with the application document. Note this, some of the courses may require additional documents. For detailed information, please see the relevant course description in the brochure and on the respective website. The complete application have to be submitted in English or German to be considered for the scholarship. So let's go into details, the step-by-step application and selection procedure for the Daad scholarship. First, you need to choose your course of interest. You can apply for a maximum of 3 courses, as I said earlier. And again, apply to the university offering that courses, and also you send your complete application with above document directly to the universities, and a selection committee suggest potential candidate to award a Daad scholarship. So after you've submitted, the committee will look into it and they will take the potential candidate. So this potential candidate will be informed through email, and they'll give them a link to apply for the Daad scholarship through the Daad portal. So the selection process will be finalized and the selected candidates will be informed accordingly. Note this again, make sure that you have a copy of each document of your application ready, as those documents as PDF files have to be uploaded to the Daad portal in case you are suggested for a Daad scholarship. To know more about the Daad scholarship, please visit the official website here to get to know more information about for masters and PhD studies in Germany. Well, thank you. This is the end for another video, and please stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like, share. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and we will reply back to you very soon. Thank you very much.